Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to format some of the columns which is very handy uh, during the operations in Excel. Now suppose this is the employee name which has uh, name and his last name, first name and last name. But there is a need that I want to sort these names with the last name. Here I cannot do that because they are in the same column. So there is one functionality given by Excel. In data you can go text to column. I can convert this one column into two columns, and then I can sort it by this last name. So how you can do that? First you have to uh, create any space, otherwise if you will do that it will override this. So you just insert one column here, and now you can select this column, and in the data tab you can go to text to column. Now you can go to text to column. Here's a delimiter, you can click on next. Now which delimiter you want to use? Now here you see there is comma. In some cases there would be space, so you can click on space. I'm clicking on comma, and then so this would be delimiter. Then next you see this is name is preview is there, so you can check this whether this is correct or not and finish. So it will prompt that there is already you just click OK. So you see the first name is there, and that's you can just rename it like employee first name, and then last name. And now you can sort it if you want. Now you can sort it based on your uh, requirement. You can sort it how you sort, like if you want to sort it you can see it's sorted by, so you can sort it. Similar is the case with this. Now suppose in that case only the comma was there. Now this is the address. Now here you see there is the address and there is a pin code, so you have to sort with pin code. So you cannot sort it here, so you have to first uh, get one column which has the pin code only. So how you will do that? You can select this, you can go to data tab, you can go to text to column, and then next. Now you see the data, there is a comma, and then here then space, and I need to get postcode. So first I'll delimit with this comma, and then after that with a space, that comma, next, finish. You see now I got it. Now I will again go and create it with a space, comma, space, next, finish. Now I've got this. I can write this postcode code, and then I can sort it based on my uh, requirement. Now in the data tab itself there is one, you see in the besides there is one duplicates. So Excel gives you the functionality to remove duplicates. Now if you click on that, on which column basis you want to remove duplicates. So if you want only a particular column, or you want all the columns combination of that, so you can, okay, there is no duplicate columns corresponding currently. So there is no, what I am doing it, I am just copying two rows. Now there are duplicate columns. Now if you'll go and now if you'll go and check my data as a first, and now this you can uncheck if your first row is not header. I have a header, so I have checked it. Now you see, okay, now the two rows which I copied showing that two duplicate found, and if you'll click OK, it will be removed. You see the last you can go, and that was removed. So this is very handy tool to uh, get to remove the duplicates. Now there is one another function, this flash fill. This I'll explain in next video. This is very useful tool introduced in 2013 only, like Excel 2013, which is In some places where text to column you don't want, you can use flash fill. It's very handy tool also, so I'll explain that in next video. Thanks.